Would you like to make models in high definition with fabulous resolution and incredibly fine, sharp detail? To take unique product lines and highly complex designs to market more quickly thanks to faster build times and lower operating costs? If so, you can become more competitive overnight with a digital wax rapid prototyping machine from Rio Grande. Until recently, the drawback to vivid design imagination was the difficulty of getting a complex idea out there for customers to see. Rio Grande and Digital Wax put the power in your hands. Now, the designs you've seen only in your mind's eye are within your reach, and, if you like, can be mass-produced. When computer-aided design made it possible to render your highly complex designs on paper, the challenge became translating designs from renderings into models that can be manufactured. Even with computer help, a CNC mill can only be as precise as its tooling allows. Complex designs such as the double helix shown here simply cannot be carved or milled at all. Now, digital wax stereolithography rapid prototyping machines from Rio Grande provide that final step. Using your CAD file, these machines build your model one layer at a time, creating interior and exterior features including supports and sprues. Models are made using a photocurable resin that is solidified in precise patterns by a laser. Finished models can be used as master models for mold making or can be treed for direct casting. Here are some of the benefits offered by these amazing machines. If you already use a CAD program that you like, the digital wax machine will work with you. All digital wax machines accept STL and SLC file formats generated by just about every CAD software available on the market. Proprietary resin chemistry supports incredibly fine build layers, as thin as 10 microns, to render extraordinary detail. Specific varieties are available for specific casting and mold-making applications. All of our resins are highly durable, and models stand up beautifully to the rigors of shipping and being handled for molding, treeing, and stone-in-place applications. Each resin is self-smoothing, too, significantly minimizing the stair-step effect common to other laser rapid prototype processes. In fact, in the digital wax machine, a 30-micron layer finishes with a 10-micron fineness and takes just 1/3 the build time. After curing, models are ready to mold or to tree and cast directly. The blue edge laser in these machines uses a much shorter wavelength than conventional red or infrared lasers, allowing it to put 3 to 4 times as much detail in a given space. Just as Blu-ray DVD resolves digital information at 1/4 the size of standard DVDs. Just think how much more detail you could see at 2400 dots per inch than at 600. Or how much more you could say on a postcard using 3-point font rather than 12-point font. That's how much more detail you can apply to every model you design. Because you can build with the precision of the digital wax machine, you can produce designs that literally cannot be fabricated, carved, milled, or produced in any other way. And your models will require far less finishing, almost none in fact, before you mold or cast them. You can build a single piece faster in our smallest machine than is possible on a CNC mill, and the digital wax 028 and 029 are even faster. Now consider that in the same period of time, the digital wax machine can simultaneously build several models, dozens even, depending on the design, and build them without your having to attend the process every step of the way. Just set it up and let it go. The digital wax machines need a reservoir of only a few millimeters of resin, a fraction of the volume required by other machines which have inches-deep tanks. This makes the resin far more affordable, cost-effective to change, and minimizes the chance of overexposure or contamination of the resin. You could just about buy a digital wax machine for the cost of the resin needed to fill some other manufacturer's machines. And very little resin is wasted, because models are built without extraneous areas that must be cut away and discarded. Let's take a look at how the digital wax machines work. Once the process begins, the modeling platform lowers into the resin tray, submerging into the liquid resin, stopping the thickness of one layer from the bottom of the tray. You set the layer thickness to the fineness your model requires, as fine as 1/100th of a millimeter. Guided by the computer, the laser activates, firing thousands of times, solidifying the resin in its path and creating the first two-dimensional cross-section of the model. When the first layer is complete, the platform rises from the tray, then is lowered back into the resin so that the layer just completed is now one layer thickness above the tray bottom. The laser again activates, building the next layer onto the previously solidified layer. Layer by layer, the laser continues to build the model. When the model is complete, the platform rises out of the resin tray. The model is removed from the platform, rinsed thoroughly, and placed in an ultraviolet curing unit. After curing for a short time, models are ready to be molded or to be directly treed and cast. Digital Wax rapid prototype machines deliver benefits custom-made for your business. In addition, Rio Grande technicians are factory trained, and our in-house experts use this equipment every day. No one is better able to offer you dependable expertise to answer your questions or to help you find solutions to your challenges. Discover what amazing opportunities in rapid prototype manufacturing are available for you at Rio. You just might look back on it as the day that changed jewelry making as you know it. Call now, 800-870-0111.